From the outside, one oil filter may look just like the next. So you might be tempted to install any oil filter that fits your customers' cars. You may be surprised how dangerous that plan can be. In fact, despite the similarities on the outward appearance, oil filters are designed specifically for particulate removal efficiency and dirt holding capacity. Most conventional filter media is unlikely to be up to the task of today's higher performing vehicles. Robust, compact, synthetic fiber media filters have improved mechanical strength and provide excellent water, chemical, and temperature resistance. Full synthetic media oil filters not only catch and remove even the smallest particulates, but also withstand complex chemical reactions between the fuel components, combustion products, and oil that cause filter aging. Water in the engine oil is common. Often it's unavoidable. Compressed natural gas, ethanol, short driving distances, stop-start systems, water injection, and environmental factors all contribute towards water content. In instances where the engine isn't heated up enough to vaporize the water content in the oil can reach 5%. Combined with contaminants and combustion byproducts, this residual water creates sludge that coats the filter fibers and raises the pressure differential. This process increases total acid numbers of the oil, which begin to attack the filter media. However, these effects are much less severe on hydrophobic synthetic media filters and their supporting grids. Compact synthetic media filters structures also help to decrease pressure differential. Lowering that pressure greatly reduces the amount of time the filter bypass valve needs to be open. During cold start situations, the bypass valve decreases pressure to allow oil to flow freely. In collaboration with OE partner and owner Mann & Hummel, a leading German filter manufacturer to the OEM and OES markets, Purolator has developed an environmental, mechanical, and filtration performance test designed to measure the direct influence of temperature, water, contaminants, and pressure on the oil filter media. Through these tests, Purolator has determined that synthetic oil filter media offers significant mechanical strength, chemical resistance over conventional cellulose oil filter medias for greater filtration performance. You shouldn't judge a book by its cover, and you shouldn't pick an oil filter by how it looks on the outside. Thank you for watching.